Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful Landenberg, Pennsylvania with the latest member of our loyal tribe of raving fans, Lisa. Lisa called us because she had a utility truck back into the corner of her garage, completely take it out. Maybe we'll edit that footage in here, I don't know. Lisa, your garage got hit and you needed a contractor. How'd you hear about us?
Facebook, the Landenberg Facebook page. I usually go there just if I need, I don't know, cleaning person or contractor, and Cope was mentioned several times with raving reviews.
Awesome. So to all of our loyal friends who have been out there shouting at us, thank you so much. You helped Lisa figure out who to call. So you reached out to us like lunchtime on, I think, a Wednesday or a Thursday. Priscilla sent you an email with some links to some videos. What happened next?
I watched the videos, all of them, in the evening. They were extremely educational. I wish I would have watched them before I called the insurance company, because I think I would have done some things differently, but very useful. So.
Awesome. So kind of spent some time with us on YouTube, got to know us at 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night, whatever time you were doing that. So the next day, we came out because the insurance adjusters were coming, and you kind of wanted somebody here to help work through that process.
Yep.
How was our team able to help you during that, so that when he was coming out looking at things?
Yeah. You were here almost immediately when the insurance adjuster came, and I mean, because I had never gone through anything like this before, so yeah, you were very helpful. You guided me through the process, and and it was a quick resolution.
Yeah, so a lot of it is just kind of getting through the process of, Surf Pro come out to help with the cleanup. We had a board up crew here. We were coordinating with the adjuster from the insurance company. We were having to put together a quote to try to figure out what's going to take to put this back together for you. So it's just kind of helping to hold your hand a little bit through a process that you hadn't done before. So we got all that worked out. You got your claim filed. We got your contract with you, and then the last 3 days we've been working on putting this back together for you.
Yep.
How's it look?
It looks perfect. Yep, I cannot wait to use my garage again. So thank you.
We had this whole side boarded up, and you could only use one side of it. So now you got both doors back open again.
Yep.
So if you have a neighbor that has a utility truck back into their house or needs some other home repairs, what would you tell them?
Call Cope.
Awesome.
Yep.
So Lisa, we're excited to welcome you to our loyal tribe of raving fans. We have an amazing group of folks that have just had such an amazing experience with our team. They felt compelled to tell the world, and Lisa is the latest member to join that tribe. If we can solve a problem for you, give our team a call, 484-748-7708. When we're finished with it, we're proud to say it's not just done. It was Cope built. We'll catch you on the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.